Hello and welcome to Wolfe GMC Buick. Today we're taking a look at a 2021 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 Custom, featured in silver ice metallic with a jet black interior. Under the hood there's a 2.7 liter turbocharged 4-cylinder paired to an 8-speed automatic transmission. Some features include a power park brake, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, LED cargo bed lighting, a power tailgate, a backup camera, traction control, OnStar, SOS, and much more. Taking a look at the interior, here's our door with power lock and unlock, front and rear powered windows and powered mirrors with some storage and cup holder space below. Here are the seats, and we can hop inside. To the left, when we get inside, we have our optional 2-wheel and 4-wheel drive with trailer mode, as well as our LED cargo bed lighting and the lighting controls. Go ahead and start up the truck. In the middle is our odometer, and to the left of the steering wheel we have the cruise control. Moving over to the infotainment screen, we can check out our radio options. We have AM, FM, Sirius XM, and we can connect a phone using Bluetooth, and it's also equipped with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Turn-by-turn directions from OnStar, and we can connect the phone right there. So below that we have the controls, and below that we have our climate control. Down here we have the power tailgate traction control, as well as a USB-C and USB-A charger, a 12-volt, and a 3-prong. Taking a look at the center console, we have 2 cup holders, some storage space. We can open this up, we have a storage space in there, and we can lift this seat up to get a third seat in the middle and get some extra storage. Pull it back, all we gotta do is pull this and it'll drop down. Here's the rear view mirror. So above that we have our OnStar and SOS with 2 dome lights, and here's the other side of the vehicle. Moving on to the exterior, here are the wheels, black assist steps, black mirror caps and door handles as well, with privacy tint on the rear windows. Making our way to the back, we have rear bumper corner steps on either side for easier access to the bed. We can go ahead and unlock. It's going to drop down for us. Plenty of space back here. It's also an easy lift tailgate, so it really doesn't take much to pop it back into place. Super convenient. Now checking out the rear interior, here's our door with powered windows, some storage and cup holder space below, and here are the seats, and we can hop inside. Of course, on either side we have handles. At the bottom of the center console here we have our rear vents, 2 dome lights at the top, and here's a view from the back. Thank you so much for joining me for this quick review of the 2021 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 Custom. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe, and we hope to see you at Wolfe GMC Buick very soon.